Morning students, today I am going to explain you the overall steps involved in the butterfly structure, that is for the DFT, DIT FFT and DIF FFT, and next one is IDFT, DIT. DIT is nothing but decimation in time, decimation in frequency, FFT. So for that you should understand the input notation is x of n and output notation is x of k for DFT, as well as for the IDFT the input notation is x of k and output notation is x of n. So let us start with the overall steps involved in the DIT FFT for the DFT, computation of DFT. So first one is DFT input, that is x of n, because DFT the input is x of n, so that should be in the format of 1, 2, 3. It can be any values without contains a complex values. And your DIT FFT always should start from the input, that is x of n, and the flow should be like this 2.4.8 point and output should be x of k. So the input should be in bit reversal order and x of k should be in normal order. So likewise for the IDFT, so IDFT your input is capital X of k, that should be in bit reversal order in both DFT and IDFT. It should be in a bit reversal order and the flow is also the same 2.4.8 point and output should be in x of n. Output should be in x of n, that is normal order. Both the things are same, but the difference in the IDFT is after you got the output should be multiplied with the, if it is 4 point means it should be multiplied with 1 by 4. If it is 8 point means it should be multiplied with 1 by 8. So this is your sample input x of k equal to, because in IDFT the input is x of k, capital X of k, 6 comma minus 2 plus j2 comma minus 2. It contains the complex terms also. So next one is a DIF FFT steps involved for the DFT. So the input is for the DFT always start from the x of n and the flow should be 8.4.2 point and x of k should be an output. That is x of n should be in normal order and x of k should be in bit reversal order. And x of n, this is your example of the input values. And next one is IDFT. So for the IDFT, x of k should be in normal order. The input should be x of k, the flow 8.4.2 point x of n, that is bit reversal order. So this is an example of the x of k. So this is all about the DIF. So for the DIT, the flow should be 2, 4 and 8, and for the DIF, that is decimation in frequency, the flow should be 8, 4 and 2. So next we can see what is a normal order and what is a bit reversal order. And for the normal order, x of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for the bit reversal order, this x of 0 will be combined with this x of, then next x of 4 should come. So x of 0, x of 4. Next after x of 1, x of 5 should come. So x of 1, x of 5, and x of 2, after that x of 6 should come. So x of 2, x of 6, and after that x of 3, x of 7 should come, x of 3, x of 7. So this is all about the normal order and this is all about the bit reversal order. Bit reversal order, x of 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3 and 7. So next one is we can discuss about the computation of twiddle factor for the DFT, DIT, FFT as well as for the DIF, FFT. That is DFT for both DIT as well as DIF, the twiddle factor is same. Okay, so W8 of 0 e power 0, that is 1, 0.707 minus j 0.707 minus j minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. And for the 4, this is for the 8 point, and for the 4 the twiddle factor is 1 minus j. And what about the IDFT? So that is IDFT twiddle factor also same for the DIT as well as for the DIF, decimation in time and decimation in frequency. So here what is the changes means, the real term will come same, but the complex term, the sign will get changed. So the real term value is 1, so here also 1. So what is the real term? 0.707, 0.707. Here it is minus, but here it is plus. Only the sign will get changed in the complex term for the IDFT. So plus j 0.707. So here it is minus j, here it is plus j. So here it is minus 0. Here also minus, because the real term sign will not change. So minus 0.707 minus 0.707. Here it is minus and here it is plus. Okay, and this is for the 8 point. And what about the 4 point? So 4 point, the real values will be same, and the complex value, that is here it is minus and here should be plus j, minus j, and here it is plus j. So this is all about the twiddle factor for the DFT and IDFT using DIT as well as DIF FFT. This is all about the common steps for the computation of DFT and IDFT using DIT FFT and DIF FFT. Hope it is useful to you.